Hello everyone, and here we're going to do some wood burning, kind of carve either your name or a certain design into a piece of wood, which as you can see here I've carved out my last name, carved out into this piece of wood here. And this little device right here, this is what's going to burn in the design into the wood here. It's nice and hot. And here you want, so first thing you want to draw out your design first. It's a nice little template with a pencil. And then next you're ready to start edging in your design into the wood, which it is an intricate process, but just kind of feel you can smell the wood kind of burning as you're kind of effectively melting the wood, but you're burning it. Straight as I can get it. And the longer you leave the pen in the wood, the deeper it will burn into the wood. And it's probably good to do this in a well-ventilated location because you can definitely smell the wood burning. I'll also color in this because this is Adam. So that's some electrons over D. That's what the design here is. Well, yeah, there we go. There we go. And there, now we got a design edged into this piece of wood here. Be careful, this is very hot, so